I'm unboxing this Toshiba 1 TB SSD portable drive. I plan to use it for Linux operating system. I currently only have 500 GB, which is Windows. So let's unbox and see how it looks and what is included in here. So it is plug and play operation and drag and drop use. So this is how it looks. Comes with this quick start guide, which I never read. Then this is the drive, and this is the USB cable. So these are the usual model, serial number, and rest of the details. So I'll connect it with my laptop and see how it performs. Get it ready. So this USB